How to trim a video in Reelshot. Want to cut out the unwanted parts? Here's how to trim a video in Reelshot on your iPhone. First, open Reelshot and tap the Create tab to start a new project. Import your video from the camera roll and wait for it to load. On the timeline, drag the handles at the beginning and end of the clip to set your desired start and end points. You can preview the trim section by tapping play, then adjust if needed. When satisfied, tap done or continue editing your project. Do you trim your videos often or keep them full length? Share it in the comments below. Zoom in on the timeline for more precise trimming control. And that's how you can trim a video in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.